In the heart of Kerala, India, amidst the lush greenery and serene backwaters, a beacon of spiritual enlightenment emerged in the form of Sree Narayana Guru. A social reformer and spiritual leader, Gurudeva, as he was fondly called, championed the ideals of equality, social justice, and universal harmony. His teachings transcended the boundaries of caste, creed, and religion, emphasizing the oneness of humanity and the interconnectedness of all living beings. In a pivotal moment in history, Sree Narayana Guru convened the All Religions Conference in 1928, a momentous event that brought together representatives from various faiths, including Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, and Jainism. This groundbreaking gathering, held in the sacred space of the All-Way Advaita Ashram, marked the turning point in interfaith dialogue and understanding. Gurudev's vision for the conference was not to engage in theological debates or seek conversions, but to foster mutual respect, understanding, and appreciation for the diverse paths that lead to spiritual realization. He believed that despite their outward differences, all religions shared a common essence: the pursuit of truth, compassion, and love. During the conference, Gurudev delivered a powerful message that resonated with the assembled delegates and echoed through the ages: one caste, one religion, one God for all humanity. This simple yet profound statement encapsulated his belief in the inherent unity of humankind and the futility of man-made divisions. The All Religions Conference was not merely a gathering of scholars and religious figures. It was a testament to Sree Narayana Guru's unwavering commitment to social harmony and interfaith understanding. His message of unity and respect for all religions continues to inspire and guide humanity towards a more peaceful and just world. Gurudev's legacy extends far beyond the confines of Kerala, his teachings transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. His message of unity and equality has resonated with people from all walks of life, offering solace, inspiration, and guidance. In a world often marred by religious strife and intolerance, Sree Narayana Guru's message of unity stands as a beacon of hope, reminding us of our shared humanity and the interconnectedness of all living beings. His teachings continue to inspire individuals and communities to embrace diversity, foster tolerance, and work towards a world where all religions can coexist peacefully and harmoniously.